If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in gate measurement series. So today we will be solving question number 100 only, one question. So in these questions you will see three different approaches to solve this type of questions: graphical approach, mathematical approach, and then one tabular approach. Okay, then let's see this. Now you come to question number 100. This represents the figure obtained on a CRO screen when the voltage signals is Vx is this, Vy is this, are given to his X and Y plates. So these are missing, you can respectively, and phi is changed. Choose the correct value of phi from the list 1 to list 2. So in some of the books you will find they have given directly. So there are lots of ways to do this one or to understand this one. Let's try with one by one. First let us try with what we are doing graphically. Let us see. We will not solve it exactly. So this is X, this is Y, but let us get some idea about graphical idea. So suppose this is your this is your X, that is Vx, whatever signal you are giving in X plate. This is your Y, that becomes your Y. So here it is Vx is Vm sin omega t, so it is a sin omega t, so you take a sin omega t, that is a sine signal. Okay, so if you do the first one, so this X is here, the first one is phi is 0, so A. So this one you know already, because phi is 0, then it will be straight line. This one we have already seen in lots of other examples. If it is the same signal you are giving, so that is so obviously A should be equal to 1, because it will be same signal, then whatever X height it will take, same height it will take. So obviously option it will be A or D, either of these two. Now you check for pi by 2, for 90 degree, or 3 pi by 2 and pi by 2 both are same. One is 90 leading, one is 90 lagging. Both will give you same answer. So if I go for this 90, so it will be start from 90 degree. So if you give here 0, at 0 it will attain 90 degree. So it will start from 90 because it is leading. So it will be getting 90 degree above. So almost it should be same height and same, because it is identical, heights and everything are identical, only phase is different. So be very careful about this drawing. If your drawing is okay, then you will get a good shape. So let me draw up to this much. Suppose I have marked some points. 1, it is 0, suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose 8 place I have marked. So you similarly here mark, this is 0, this is your 90 is always 2. So this is 1, because I have taken 45. So you can see, so it is 3, it is 4, then it is 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So you draw one by one. It is not required, just I am showing how it is coming, because you know it is 90 degree, it will be circle in some of the books. So if you can directly answer it without doing this. Once you know it is a circle, so your B and D both should give you circles. So actually these two are circles, this one and this one. So it should be 4 and 5, B and D. It should be 4, 5, either 5, 4 or 4, 5. You don't know which one, because A and D you are confused with. So you see it is 3, 5. So it will not be 3, 5. It is 5, 4, B and D. So obviously D will be the answer. We can give this one as an answer, but I am showing you details in detail how it will be becoming circle. First graphically, then we will see in mathematically also how the expression comes. So 0, this position is here, and 0 at this position the height is here. So it will, the height is here and the X is here. So this is 1 point. X you take from here. Now 1, your X is at this position X. At 1 your height is at this position. So this is your at 1. Now I come to 2. So if it is a 2, so 2 is X you will get from here, this X, and Y you will get from here. So 2 is here 0. So this is 0. So you can see similarly at 3 the height is X is here, the height you will get it from here. So this is your 3. Now you are getting some idea. 4 is 0, so it will come here. 4 is this height, so you will get this height. So similarly 5 is here. So 5 is here. And then 6 is the maximum one, 6, and 6 here it is 0, so you will get it 0. Then again 7 is here and 7 is here, and lastly it is again. So you can see this is the circle that you are getting, and the direction of circle is this one, so that is clockwise. So we can see, so obviously B will give you clockwise, so clockwise is this one, that is B should be 5. So you can see your answer is D. So this is how we can, in the exam, if you are confused, if some extra things, both are not sinusoidal, something is given here, something, so graphically you need to solve it. Then suppose this is triangular, this is square, this is a 1 square, this is rectangular, something of these different signals, any alternative signal they can, one is sinusoidal, one is square, then what should be your output. So you can draw with this and you can find what is the what type of shape you are getting. Mathematical also we can try this one. So let me show you mathematical. So let me make it general so that you can apply it in any case. So if it is Vx, so let me take Vx a1, then sine omega t. This magnitude I am taking different, and Vy is equal to a2 sine omega t plus phi. So this is general. Here both are magnitudes are same, Bm. So here magnitude may be different also. Let us see what is the case. Now if you see the drawing, what we are doing in the graphically. So let's get what you are doing in the graphically. You are eliminating, because this is with respect to time, this was also with respect to time. But what you are doing, the final graph is between x and y. So you eliminate t from these two equations. This is also equation of y and t. This is also equation of x and t. What you are doing, you are eliminating t from this equation and you are finding a relation between x and y. Getting x from x, getting y from y. Eliminating t. So same concept we are using. So you will be eliminating t from these two. That is my idea. So if I write it x, this is from here I will get x, from here I will get y. So what is your sine omega t? So your sine omega t will be equal to x by a1. So let me write cos omega t then. If I know sine omega t, then cos omega t is from here 1 minus sine square x square by a1. I will be needing this one. So what is your y? Then let's put in place of that t, we need this one. So y is equal to, we can put it a2, then sine a plus b, sine a cos b, then cos a sine b. So that's why I have calculated cos omega t. I will put it there because I don't need t. What is the intention? To eliminate t from these two. So I will eliminate these two. I will replace this one, x by a1 cos phi, then under root 1 minus x square by a1 square sine phi. Then you take, you bring this one this side, y by a2 minus x by a1 cos phi, taking whole square both side. This is to eliminate that under root, and this is sine phi. So if you take square both sides, so finally you will get y square by a2 square plus x1 by a1 square cos square phi minus 2xy a2 by a1 cos phi, and then 1 minus x square by a1 square sine square phi multiplied by, so 1 will be x into, so if you bring x this side, final expression you will get, because cos square plus sine square will give you 1 if you take these two common. If you bring x this side, so final expression will be of this fashion. So you can see this is an expression for ellipse. This is an expression for ellipse. So you will always get an elliptical shape, either ellipse or circle, because if it is 0 then it will be circle if both these two are equal. If a1 becomes a2 then and this 0, then it is cos phi is 0, then this is 0. Or circle. So it will be ellipse or circle. Now you start 1 by 1 then case. So if you start from 1 by 1, a1 a2 both are equal, both is equal to Vm, and your phi is equal to 0 for first case. So you put 1 by 1, then you can see mathematically also. So it will be y square by Vm square, because in this expression your a1 a2 all are Vm and phi is given. First for first a, it is 0. So it is x square by Vm square minus, what is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1, so 2xy by Vm square. What is sin 0 is 0. So Vm square will go on, it will be x minus y whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it is x equal to y. So what is x equal to y? X equal to y is nothing but a straight line. So that's why you are getting straight line. So mathematical also you can prove. So if the second case, if I go and then phi is equal to 90 degree, then if you put it, so it will be y square by Vm square plus x square by Vm square. Then you can see what is cos 90 is 0, so this will be 0, and then sin 90 is 1. So that means you are getting x square plus y square equal to Vm square. What is the equation of this one? It is a circle of radius Vm. So you can now know the radius of this circle also, that is equal to Vm. So mathematically if you do, you can dig it little bit, you can go little deeper also. Now it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. How do you know? You don't know that one. For that you need to do something. So that I will show you. Now you can do for C also, you can do for D also. For C, because it is in between these two, between pi and 3 pi by 2, between 180 and 270. So between 180 and 270 you can take phi equal to 225 and you can write the expression. So phi is equal to, if you write 225 and if you take the expression, you will get it something of this fashion, that is of elliptical, that is C1 x square plus y square minus root 2 xy is equal to Vm square by 2, which is an ellipse. That you have to know. So and if you apply D, because in D what you will do, you will apply 270, phi is equal to clockwise and anti-clockwise. I will just coming. So if it is 270, if you apply, then what will happen if you apply 270? So if what is cos 270 is 0, so this side will be 0. So y square plus x square is equal to Vm square, then sin 270 is 1. So this is also a circle. This is minus 1, but it will be square, then it will be plus. So this will also be a circle. So how to know which direction it is moving? For that, so this is how you will do mathematically. And for that, to know which direction, you can draw it also in this way. Suppose T, and then A is done. No, so I am not doing A. So B is the confusion. So I am doing B case. So here Vx equal to Vm sin omega t, and here Vy is equal to. You can do it in this way also. Exam. You can draw graphically. You can do mathematically. You can remember, or you can do in this way also. This is also another way by plotting this graph. So that's why I am showing this one, omega t plus the second case it is 90 degree. So you put initially t equal to 0 is, see what is the value, because this is x, this is y. This will be your x, bx, this will be your y. What x you are getting? If you put 0, then it is 0. So x is 0. What is your y? If you put 0, sin 90 is 1, so it is Vm. You go for one more. Go for one more one. So if it is 90, suppose pi by 2. So if it is 90, then it is Vm. If it is 90, 90, 90, 180, and is 0. So you can see what is the first coordinate, 0, Vm, 0, Vm. So this is the first coordinate, 0, Vm, normal coordinate geometry. And second coordinate is Vm, 0. And you know it is a circle. That's what you know. You don't know circle, then you put pi by 4 also, 45. So you know another point. That's why you take lots of points and then join. You will see it will be a circle. So if it is a circle and you are moving in this direction, then you know what direction you are moving. So you are moving in clockwise direction. So B should be clockwise direction. That means B should be 5. That you can see. So similar way that now you are now you know this one is the correct answer. Similarly you can do for D also, but let me show you for C. So C, again T is this one. Again, what is your x is equal to Vm sin omega t, same sin omega t, and what is your y? Vm sin omega t plus 225. Let us take, because 225 is the some standard value that we can calculate. So at t equal to 0, so it will be 0. If it is 0, 0, then 225. 225 is in this quadrant. You remember this is your 225. So sin 225, what it will give? Sin 225 is 45. That is 1 by root 2, but it is in negative quadrant. So minus 1 by root 2. So it is minus Vm by root 2. Now if you take pi by 2, so it will be Vm. Sin 90 is 1. 90 plus 225, it will come to here. So here again 45 1 by root 2, but here again it is minus, because it is sin. Now if you plot 0, minus Vm by root 2, 0, minus Vm by root 2. And it is Vm, minus Vm by root 2, Vm, minus Vm by root 2. So it will be some sort of this type of ellipse, you can see. So it is moving from this point to this point. So it is moving in this direction, because that will give me ellipse from the expression we know. Or you can find lots of other points also, then you will see it will moving in this direction. So you can see it is moving in this direction. That is your D is 4. You can see, sorry, it is C. C is moving, C is 6, so you can see 6. It is moving in this direction. So it depends. So you have to remember all these ways. This mathematical expression, I hope you got it. This table also you have to remember. That graph also you have to remember. So at times you will apply which one is satisfactory for us. Here I have shown you all the 3 ways to solve this one. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.